Welcome to The Angle. I am Chavya Avasthi. Let's take a look today's headline. PM Narendra Modi calls Tika Utsav beginning of second big war against COVID-19. Suggests 4 points. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot released State Women Policy 2021 on the occasion of birth anniversary of Kasturba Gandhi. Negotiations were successful in the priest Shambhu case. MP Kirorilal Meena said government accepted our demands. Bad news for MS Dhoni as Chennai Super Kings skipper fined rupees 12 lakh after loss against Delhi Capitals. As the Tika Utsav began across India on Sunday, April 11, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called it the beginning of the second major war against the COVID-19 pandemic and suggested 4 points. On the occasion, Prime Minister Modi shared a message on his official social media accounts and said the people have to lay special emphasis on personal hygiene as well as social hygiene. The Prime Minister said the family members and the community members should create a micro-containment zone in a case of even a single positive case. Micro-containment zones are a key component of the fight against corona in a densely populated country like India, State Prime Minister Modi. Mamata Banerjee made a video call in Cooch Behar in the front of cameras from the place of the press conference and consoled the family of those killed in the incident. Mamata Banerjee has announced to celebrate Black Day today and said that she will visit Cooch Behar on 14 April. At the same time, Home Minister Amit Shah hit back at Mamata and said that due to the instigation of Mamata Banerjee, this sad incident has happened. The Home Minister said that an attempt was made to snatch weapons from security forces. There is no complete lockdown imposed in Madhya Pradesh. The MP CM also claimed that there is no dearth of oxygen and 4,000 remdesivir injections are currently available in the state. There is no shortage of oxygen. 4,000 remdesivir injections are already available and 5,000 injections will arrive today. We are observing Tika Utsav in the entire state. No lockdown will take place in Madhya Pradesh. Shivraj Singh Chauhan's statement comes amid various opposition-ruled states raising the issue of alleged vaccine shortage. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot today released Women State Policy 2021 on the occasion of birth anniversary Kasturba Gandhi. CM Ashok Gehlot addressed the event through video conferencing. The CM said that the infant mortality rate, maternal mortality rate will have to be reduced. In this direction, our government is putting all its strength. Everyone from society to home will have to change their thinking toward women. In the death of the priest Shambhu Sharma, there has been consensus between the government and the agitators, after which the body of priest Shambhu was cremated on Sunday. BJP MP Kirorilal Meena said that the government has accepted their demands. Our agitations and picketing has ended. Shambhu Sharma, a priest of a temple in village Tipri in Mehwa Tehsil of Dausa district, died 10 days ago. It is alleged that some influential peoples in the village in connivance with the Tehsildar took possession of the land of temple. Millions of domestic consumers in Rajasthan have water meters, but most of the meters are defective. But now the water supply department will start the work of replacing the bad meters. This time, smart meters will be installed in your homes, not ordinary meters. Gehlot government will start a pilot project of installing a smart water meter from this year. This smart project will start from Jawaharnagar in Jaipur. For this, the government has approved a budget of 5 crores. Chennai Super King skipper Mahendra Singh Dhoni had a terrible start of 14th edition of IPL. Start to the 14th edition of the Indian Premier League as after his team suffered a big defeat against Delhi Capital in their IPL 2021 opening game on Saturday. Dhoni was fined 12 lakh for code of conduct breach after his side maintained a slow over rate during the game. Chennai Super King captain MS Dhoni has been fined after his team maintained a slow over rate during their Indian Premier League 2021 match against Delhi Capital at Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai on April 10. Thank you for watching. Good night.